One of the main jobs that we have as an organic affiliate marketer is to create a friends list that's as targeted as you can get it. And this is because each time you post some content, it is placed before a small percentage of your list. And if they engage and like the content, Facebook will show it to more, and so on and so on. So obviously get more engagement if they like and comment on the post. But what if they don't engage in your content? Well, Facebook will not show it to others, as simple as that. The people have already voted with a thumbs down, and that's basically that for that post. So your list, thankfully, will evolve over time. So you need to ensure it's as targeted as it should be. So you need to clean it frequently. Now, I do mine probably once a month and delete anybody for one thing or another. You need to be a little bit ruthless with this, but it can increase your engagement. It's just a numbers game, basically, because if they show your content to people on your friends list who are, maybe they've, moved vehicles, they're not moved niches, changed their niche, they've changed the content of their profile, and all of a sudden your content gets thrown in front of them, then they're not going to engage, and that's obviously going to affect your engagement on that particular piece of content, and they won't show it to others. So it's a crucial part of the equation, this, to keep cleaning your friends list. So like I say, I do mine once a month. I'll just nip into the computer now and I'll show you exactly what I do. You might call it ruthless, but at the end of the day, it's business. So, like I say, I clean my friends list once a month. And now I do this manually. I choose to do it manually, although there is software out there. I think Prospector Pro, things like that, it can speed up the process. But you need to be careful using software and partaking in probably calls of maybe 500, deleting 500 friends or more in one go, because this will flag Facebook and they'll know you're using software to do this, obviously, which is something that they really don't like. So, but if you keep on top of your list, then once a month you can actually do it manually. Facebook prefer you to do it that way, and then this is the way I do it. Now you will find that some accounts have been deleted, and you get the image here. There's actually no profile picture, so it's just an empty profile. I delete these straight away. I don't even go into the profile, even though it's maybe still live. If there's no image there, that's me done. I'll delete that. I would delete that friend from my list. Now I'm on Facebook, obviously for business, so I don't spend too much time on profiles that have things like animals or views, seascapes, landscapes, anything like that as their profile picture, because that just tells me that they're here for pleasure and not really serious about business. I've nothing against cats. I have a cat, but a time and a place. This is business, and people should have their profile picture in there, a clear profile picture. So I delete anything like this if it's not something I would have accepted in the first place. But things can change on people's profiles, and what was important to them back then maybe is not important to them. Maybe something else is more important. So things like this, if they're not taking business seriously, I delete these. Now I don't know why people do this. This is quite a common thing, really. But I see people's profiles using a social media logo instead of a profile picture. No time for people like that. That just tells me they're trying to maybe hide something. I don't know. It's one thing to be shy, but if you're here for business, you need to get your face out there. So if they're not serious about business, I will delete anything like this as well. Now, I've no problem with people creating their own personal avatar. It's quite common for people to do that, but when they use it as their main profile picture, then that just tells me that obviously they've got a sense of humour, but nothing wrong with that. But when they use it as the main profile photograph, that's just a no-no for me. I can't take people seriously who do that. There's places to put this in certain content, which is quite common, which is fine. But people want to know who they're making friends list, and basically looks like a cartoon character. That doesn't do anything for me. So if they've done this on their profile, I would delete them. Sounds ruthless, I know, but that's just the way I work. I take business very, very seriously, and I can replace this person with somebody who's really serious about business and has got their profile picture. So that's the way I look at things. Now, anybody that has not added content for probably a month or more, not engaged in anything, I delete these people because obviously they've maybe moved on, and Facebook does do that to you. You can probably post every day for probably 2 or 3 months, and then you just burn yourself out and you think, oh my goodness, I've had enough of this. I don't want to do this anymore. Maybe they move on to another social media platform to do their business. I don't know, but it's quite common to see these dormant accounts. They've just packed up and gone, and they don't seem to engage in anything. They don't post any content, and if it's more than a month, I give them a month because sometimes people can be ill, on vacation or anything like that. Things happen in their lives, and they're not able to post content, and that's absolutely fine. So I give them at least a month. If they're not posted in a month, then I will delete them and change them for somebody who is active on the platform. Now, a common problem as well is people do change their niche. So maybe they come into this space and maybe they were like an affiliate marketer, so I would obviously friend this person, and if they tried it and they don't like it, and then they get sidelined basically by the shiny object syndrome, and all of a sudden they're into cryptocurrency and investing because somebody said it's a great thing to do, and you can make a lot more money doing this than you can affiliate marketing. Now, see, all this will hurt your engagement because if they show your content, your affiliate marketing content to this person who's now into Bitcoin, they're not going to engage, and obviously that's going to go against your engagement on that post. So that's why it's so important to keep on top of this. Now, the last two are probably connected in some ways is politics and religion. We all go through changes in our lives, and something that was important to you can quickly be replaced by something else. And then that can happen overnight, your views on something. And politics and religion are a very common topic that many Facebook users will get sidelined with, and it can soon take control of the main topic of the account. I see this all the time. Maybe something's happened in politics or religion, something's happened in the world, and they've got very strong views on it. But the problem with these two is, no, I think I've got nothing against politics, and absolutely nothing against religion, whatever your religion is. But there is a time and a place. I'm here for business, and that's not connected with business and the problem is you can get a lot of hate speech here with these two. Their feelings and opinions can run very deep. Nothing against free speech, personal views, but like I said, I'm here for business and not something I want my account to be connected to, because sometimes these accounts, if they do change into religion and politics, you can get a lot of hate speech, and I don't know, feelings can run very, very high, so I stay away from them. So these are the ones that I do delete. So there you go. You can see I'm pretty ruthless in my culling. But you can imagine if I replaced all these 8 with 8 very good profiles who were interested in my niche and who are very, very highly targeted leads, and that's what it's all about. So don't feel sorry for these people. I mean, they can come back another day if their accounts change, and they can add a friend request again. No problem at all. We can have a look at it again. But I try and stay on top of all this, and it does help your engagement. And obviously, if it helps your engagement, it'll just bring more leads to you, and obviously targeted leads to sale, and that's why we're here. at the end of the day. We're here for business. So there you go. That's just my feelings on this, and how to get the very best from your friend list by just cleaning it as often as you can. I'm once a month. People do it once a week. Some do it every probably 3 or 6 months, and they do a massive call with software. But be very, very careful of that. Facebook doesn't like that. So anyway, that's it for today. This fairly quick tutorial, but hopefully you found it. You found something of interest to it, so you get some takeaways from it, where you can clean your personal your list on your Facebook account, and it should increase your engagement. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe for more Facebook organic affiliate marketing content. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook organic affiliate marketing, I do have a free masterclass that will teach you how to reach the $10,000 a month income target by getting 500% more leads, and the link for this free masterclass is in the description below. Anyway, my name is Mike Anthony. Thank you again for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.